Now we're gonna fly a helicopter and see if it works. It's 2 years old, so I don't know if it works. It's like a real helicopter.
Okay.
Look, dun. It's very good. Okay, now we start it. Let's see if it works. I don't know if it works, but I don't know. I can have fail.
It doesn't work. Shit. Yeah. Don't even know what to do. Unfortunately, it doesn't have any battery.
Bye. What? Wait. Set it on.
No battery.
Are you serious? Are you serious?
Oh shit.
I have failed. I think that is a helicopter with a little. I don't think it can fly with that little stick. That little stick can't fly, only that. This must start. Not this. This is.
Okay, it's broken.
Wait. Are you kidding with me? Are you kidding? Ouch! Stop it! I hate you. Woohoo. This is funny. If it starts now, I come and die. Wee. This is fun. Woohoo! Yay!
Okay, I hope you enjoyed.
Thanks for watching this video, and we hope that you have very fun. Bye.